Your turn.
Put the gas.
Anthony was so excited to go swing that he paid gas for us to go beat the shit out the M5.
Oh, it's not that.
Alright boys, I can't see, but we're gonna dodge the floods if we see them. Aw shit, I think it's flooding out here. I think it's flooding.
No, we're on the slope. It can't flood.
Yeah, but look at them.
No, the range is just heavy, but it's not flooded. We're on the downhill.
Alright, I want to let them go so I can go slow. Here, can you record on my phone?
Yeah.
It picked up more. God damn, it's going crazy.
Fucking camera doesn't even fucking pick up how fucking nuts it is right now. It's easier to see through the camera than real life.
Alright, we're gonna stay all the way at the top. We stay out the big ass puddles. I want it to rain, but I don't know about this much. Damn. It's gonna fucking flood out here.
Does it float by your place?
Yeah, hell. Oh shit, look at all the flood.
It's not flooded.
Oh, right there was. Big ass puddles. Alright, everybody go. Oh shit, look at it. was burning out. Damn, so much for a clean car. At least I moved it and put it in the garage.
Oh, for real?
Alright, it's hot.
It is hella. It's fucking humid.
AC chilling, and the M5 whipping shitties. Alright, you can park.
About to whip some shitties.